Hello students, open your textbook page number 74, science textbook page number 74, chapter number 8, body movement. So today we are going to see the body movements of cockroach, birds, fish and the snail. So first we will see about cockroach. How do cockroach move? So cockroaches walk and climb as well as fly in the air. So cockroaches walks also, they are climbs also, and they are fly in the air also. They have 3 pairs of legs. So look at here, cockroaches have 3 pairs of legs. This helps in walking, and with the help of their 3 pairs of legs, they walk on the ground. The body is covered with a hard outer skeleton. So the body of the cockroach is made up of the hard skeleton or hard structure. This outer skeleton is made up of a different unit joined together and that permits movement. And with the help of this hard part or hard skeleton, the cockroach is move on the ground. There are 2 parts of wings attached to the breast, and the 2 parts of wings they are attached to the wings of the and that wings attached to the breast. The cockroaches have distinct muscles. Okay, cockroaches have distinct muscle. Those near the legs move the legs for walking. The breast muscles move the wings when the cockroaches flies. So students, see cockroaches, see in the body of cockroach there have वहाँ पे 3 pairs के कितने legs के कितने pairs है? 3 pairs है. Okay, 3 pairs of legs. This help in walking, and with the help of these legs, cockroach walk on the ground. Okay, and then this is having, see आपने देखा होगा यहाँ पे कॉकरोच की बॉडी के ऊपर एक हार्ड स्ट्रक्चर है. ओके, और उससे ही वो मूवमेंट करते हैं. देन वहां पे कॉकरोच को 2 पेयर्स के विंग्स होते हैं फ्लाई इन द एयर में फ्लाई करने के लिए. एंड दैट वो जो विंग्स है वो ब्रेस्ट में अटैच होते हैं. ओके, सो एंड कॉकरोचेस को मसल्स भी होते हैं, एंड वो मसल्स लेग्स के नियर दोज नियर द लेग्स मूव, एंड उस मसल्स के वजह से वो लेग्स भी मूव करते हैं और लेग्स वॉकिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं. एंड जो ब्रेस्ट के यहाँ पे मसल्स है उससे क्या होता है, उससे उनके जो कॉकरोच के जो विंग्स है वो मूव होते हैं और कॉकरोच फ्लाइज भी करते हैं. सो लाइक दिस वे मूवमेंट हैपन इन द कॉकरोचेस. नेक्स्ट सी अबाउट द बर्ड्स. हाउ डू बर्ड्स मूव? Birds fly in the air and walk on the ground. Some birds like ducks and swans also swim in water. The birds can fly because their bodies are well suited for flying. Their bones are hollow and light. तो बर्ड्स वॉक, कोई बर्ड जो है वो फ्लाई करते हैं, कोई जो है वो वॉक भी करते हैं, लेकिन बर्ड्स लाइक डक्स और स्वैंस वो क्या करते हैं? स्विम इन द वाटर. और बर्ड्स कैन फ्लाई, सो उनकी जो बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर है वो फ्लाइंग के जैसे ही बना होता है. तो बर्ड्स के जो बोन्स है वो हॉलो और लाइट, वेट में लाइट होते हैं, हॉलो होते हैं. द बोन्स ऑफ द हिंड लिम्स आर टिपिकल फॉर वॉकिंग एंड पर्चिंग. द बोन्स पार्ट्स ऑफ द 4 limbs आर मॉडिफाइड एज विंग्स. सी, these are the bone parts of the hind limbs, and these are the bones of the 4 limbs, and they are modified as wings. The shoulder bones are strong. उनकी जो shoulders bones है ये दोनों वो strongs होते हैं. The breast bones are modified to hold muscles of flight which are used to move the wings up and down. तो इन muscles के वजह से वो wings up and down करते हैं. So how does movement is happen in the birds? So birds fly in the air, walk on the ground. Some birds swim in the water, and they use their 4 limbs and their wings for flying, walking in the air. Okay, now let's see the movement in the fish. Okay, so fish body is, see here, fish body is look like a boat. Okay, you are making paper boat. See how paper boat is swim in the water like this way. sheep is also swimming in the water. Have you noticed that the shape of a boat is somewhat like a fish? करेक्ट, जो मतलब जो पेपर बोट का शेप है वो फिश के शेप की जैसा होता है. द हेड एंड टेल ऑफ द फिश आर स्मॉलर देन द मिडल पोर्शन ऑफ द बॉडी. सो दिस इज द मिडल पोर्शन ऑफ द फिश एंड द हेड एंड द फिश दे आर वेरी स्मॉलर. मतलब जो मिडल पोर्शन से जो वो फिश की जो टेल हेड है और टेल है वो स्मॉल होते हैं. से देन द बॉडी टैपर्स एट बोथ एंड. दिस बॉडी शेप इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रीमलाइन. वो देखो जो बॉडी जो फिश की जो बॉडी है वो ऐसे टैप यहाँ पे जॉइंट हुए है. ओके, सो दिस शेप इज कॉल्ड streamlined structure or streamlined shape. The shape is such that water can flow around it easily and allow the fish to move in water. So क्यों ऐसा शेप होता है फिश का? streamlined shape क्यों होता है? Because they can easily swim in the water. The water can flow around it easily and allow the fish to move in the water. और इस streamlined shape की वजह से fish can easily move in the water. The skeleton of the fish is covered with strong muscles. जो skeleton होता है उनके अंदर वो strong muscle से covered होता है. During swimming, muscles make the front part of the body curve to one side and the tail part swings towards the opposite side. The fish forms a curve as shown in the figure. See, like this way, fish forms curve. Like this way, na? Like this way, fish form the curves while they are swimming in the water. Then quickly the body and tail curve to the other side. This makes a jerk and pushes the body forward. A series of such jerks make the fish swim ahead. This is helped by the fins of the tail. See, means the fish movement in the fish. See, look at this figure. So while swimming in the water or while moving in the water, first fish curve their head and tail. Okay, like this way. वो उनको ऐसे कट करते कर्व करते उनका एक कर्व ऐसे बनाते हैं और बाद में उसको पुश करके वो मूव करते और फिर बाद में वो अगेन ऐसे फिन्स को कर्व और टेल्स को कर्व करते अगेन वो पुश करके वो स्विम करते. लाइक वी आर स्विमिंग इन द वाटर. वी आर वाइल स्विमिंग इन द वाटर वी आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग our legs and hands to swim in the water. Correct? So fish also have other fins on their body which mainly help to keep the balance of the body and to keep direction while swimming. Did you ever notice that underwater divers wear fin like flippers on the feet? See, all of you know scuba diving. So when we are doing scuba diving, that time they are having divers. They are also wearing some flippers, okay, on their feet, and they are also as like fins. Okay, they are as like a fins. Why? Because that flippers help them move easily in the water. Okay, now let's see how do snakes move. तो अभी देखेंगे कि snakes कैसे move करता है. Snakes have a long backbone. See, snake have a long backbone. They have many thin muscles. They are connected to each other even though they are far from one another. Muscles also interconnected to the backbone, ribs and skins. The snake's body curves into many loops. See, the snake's body also taking curve while moving on the ground. Okay, so the snake's body curves into many loops. See, when snake's body is taking curves, that curve is called loops. And while moving on the ground, a snake is also taking many loops. Each loop of the snake gives it a forward push. And see, when snake taking loops, that time snakes push its body for the movement. Then each loop of the snakes gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground. मतलब जब स्नेक लूप लेता है तो वो क्या करता है? लूप लेने की वजह से वो बॉडी को ऐसे आगे पुश करता है और आगे मूव होता है. ओके, Then since its long body makes many loops and each loop gives this push, the snake moves forward very fast and not in a straight line. तो लूप की वजह से स्नेक बॉडी को जल्दी मूव पुश करता है और वो फास्टली मूव होता है और वो कभी भी स्ट्रेट लाइन में मूव होता नहीं. देखा है आपने कभी कि स्नेक स्ट्रेट लाइन में गया है? नो. Always a snake is taking loops to push its body for their movement. We have learned about the use of bones and muscles for the movements of different animals. That means in this chapter we are learned about the uses of bones and muscles for the movements of different animals and human beings. Okay, so students, here we have completed our science chapter number 8, body movement. Means different animals, they are using their different body parts for their movement in the ground, to move in the air or to move on the ground or move in the soil. Like this way, human beings also using their bones and muscles for their movement. Okay, so students, read all the topic again, all the chapter again, and complete your homework. And in next video I will give you, or we will discuss on the exercise of this chapter. Thank you, students.